Every year, nonprofit organizations spend countless hours searching for grants that could help sustain their mission. But what if many of those opportunities were never worth pursuing in the first place? For many small nonprofit teams, the biggest challenge isn't writing grant proposals. It's deciding which grants deserve their time. Today's nonprofit sector has access to more resources than ever before. Grant databases, artificial intelligence, funding alerts, research platforms. On the surface, it looks like progress. Organizations can discover more opportunities, analyze more information, and write proposals faster than ever. But there's one thing technology hasn't created: more time. Many small nonprofit teams are already operating under intense financial and staffing pressure. For some organizations, 1 or 2 people are responsible for grant research, proposal writing, reporting, donor communications, and fundraising. Every hour matters. A grant opportunity appears promising. The mission aligns. The funding amount looks attractive. The deadline is realistic. The team begins working. Hours become days. Program plans are adjusted. Budgets are rewritten. Supporting documents are collected. More than 20 hours later, someone notices a requirement hidden deep within the eligibility guidelines. Perhaps only organizations serving specific regions qualify. Perhaps only nonprofits with a minimum operating history are eligible. Or maybe the funding is restricted to organizations with a certification the nonprofit doesn't have. The proposal stops there. Even if the issue is discovered before submission, those 20 hours are already gone. For many nonprofit teams, this isn't a rare occurrence. It's part of the monthly routine. The pressure to secure funding encourages organizations to pursue every opportunity that appears promising. And with more grant databases and AI-powered tools becoming available, organizations can identify opportunities faster than ever before. But faster discovery doesn't always lead to better decisions. Sometimes it simply means spending more time on opportunities that were never a good fit. Artificial intelligence has transformed grant writing. It can summarize funding guidelines, draft proposal sections, organize research, generate budgets. These are meaningful advances. But AI can't change one fundamental reality. If a grant opportunity isn't the right fit, writing the proposal faster doesn't improve the outcome. Technology can accelerate the work. It cannot replace strategic decision-making. Many nonprofit leaders are beginning to rethink how they approach grants. Instead of asking, how many grants can we apply for? They're asking, which grants deserve our limited time? An hour spent carefully verifying eligibility can prevent 20 hours spent preparing a proposal that was never likely to succeed. It's a small change in process, but for organizations operating with limited funding and limited staff, it can have a significant impact. Every hour saved is an hour that can be invested where it matters most: serving communities, supporting programs, building stronger relationships with donors and partners. Grant success isn't just about writing better proposals. It's about choosing the opportunities that truly fit. Because for many nonprofit organizations, time is one of their most valuable resources. What are your thoughts? Have you ever invested significant time in an opportunity that ultimately wasn't the right fit? Share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe for more insights on nonprofit strategy, fundraising, and organizational effectiveness.